As a CFO, there's a lot of data points you have to pay attention to, and utility management isn't exactly always the top priority. So having a trusted partner that you can work with to give you solid advice is very important for us. Hi, I'm Jeff Marshall, the CFO at Niagara Specialty Metals. Whether it be natural gas or electricity, all those vendors do things a little bit different. EnergyMark is the expert. They work with them so they can really help you simplify your bill and again allow you to focus on running your business and the things that are most important.
Hi, I'm Bob Shabala, President and CEO of Niagara Specialty Metals. We've had the privilege of working with EnergyMark for the past 15 years. Not only are they great from a business perspective, but the people you deal with there are just really top-notch. They've helped us over the years with capital projects. They've helped us secure grants for NYPA power and consulting projects such as solar panels, LED lighting, and locking in energy at favorable pricing. If you're looking to get some help with your energy costs, I would highly recommend considering EnergyMark for your energy needs, especially if you're in a manufacturing facility where energy is a big portion of your cost.